So pretty good bounce back day after yesterday. It looks like we might be in a some type of broad bull channel. You can see on this chart. I think prices are trying to break out of this range, and right now they're not succeeding, or at least doesn't look like they are. So let's take a look at these trades. I woke up in the middle of the night, and so I saw this parabolic buy climax. You get one push up, two push up, three push up, and you can see it's kind of just weak after that. You get this level of resistance, and then we got this breakout bear breakout bar, and so I entered right there shortly after. I think it's like a tick above the close, and I got a four point target, and you know, this is trading one contract. I think it was reasonable to take profits here because that's where I had this measured move drawn based on the size of this breakout. If I was trading two contracts, I'd probably swing the other contract and maybe take it at 2 times my actual risk, which was a little less than 4 points. And I would have got that right here. You can see there was a second leg down after this 2 bull bar correction. So that's something I really need to keep in mind, is that my math is going to improve when I increase my contracts and swing the remaining contracts. So anyway, we come in, we get this spike in channel. Here's where a news item was. This is how I had my channel drawn. You can see the channel weakening. We don't hit the high of the channel here, here, and here. You get this double top. So a lot of bears probably entered there. But I liked what I was seeing here. Because, you know, typically after a strong bull channel like this, you're probably only going to get a range. So when we get this bull signal bar, that's also second entry long. I suspected that was going to be the low. So I went for 4 points. I closed it when it got close to my entry. I thought I was going to get a tick or two more, but so three points and a tick right there. I was expecting a test of the high, which is pretty much what we got. So we are going sideways at this point, and I really like this for a bear breakout. And let's see if I was looking at something else on the other chart. Not really. No, this is definitely too high. Yeah, nothing really here, but it just felt like we were going to break back into this range, this below this price level. And so we get this big bear bar, and then we get a bull bar, and I just felt like it was a trap. I entered short. It came up here. I think I was risking 4 points. Came back up here a little bit, but then when we got this inside bar, that's when I felt comfortable and ended up getting 3 points. And again, like, I was just a little nervous, just like on this trade, and so I closed the trade early. But again, if you're swinging more than one contract, you know, that's going to be a much bigger move. So let's draw the channel. I think that's a reasonable place to take profits where I did. But you know, let's say I take it when it touches the bottom of this channel. I'm probably going to get an extra 3 points out of that. That's a lot more money. And you can see we get a break of this bear channel near this level of support, and we just start going sideways. You get a bull breakout, 2 legs, looks pretty good, but remember that should probably only be the bulls should be hoping for at this point is probably just a range. So we get another sell-off, and then we get this strong bull move, and that's when I'm starting to look to go long down here. So we get another bull move. I forget why I didn't get in on this, but then we get a two-legged pullback. I bought below this bear bar. We get another bear bar. My stop was below this bull bar right here. And then when we get this bull bar, I was suspecting that this was a trend line. I didn't like that this closed with a tail on top, but I stayed in the trade, and I just moved my stop from below this bar to below this bar, and it took off. And again, this is a situation where this is a reasonable place to take profits, but I was expecting a bigger move, and if I had more than one contract, I'd probably hold it till we get this overshoot and all these dojis, and that would have got me another 5 points probably. And then just now, so yesterday we had a situation like this where you get this tight bull channel, and it's really good to buy at any point in this channel. And yesterday I made a huge mistake and bought, and I just wasn't thinking about risk at all. So today I corrected that mistake, and I bought up here. It was a top. I risked 1 point and got out, and that's what you got to do, and that's how you're going to be making money, is when you limit your risk. So those are my trades for today. $66 trading one contract is really good, so I need to just be content with that.